All right,
Get this going.
we're here.
Gorgeous, beautiful.
For some reason,
Love it.
my sleep schedule is screwed, and I don't know where it got screwed up at. Like that's the man. I don't know where it got screwed up at.
Well, what you been doing?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know. I'm just living, Tanner.
Well, dude,
Honestly.
you got a kid, bro. I mean, that's always gonna make you fucking. I can't speak to it, man. I can't speak to having a child. I know that fucks people up though with their sleep schedule, which is kind of part of what you got to
Yeah.
do. You know.
Yeah.
So the fact that you're still doing all this with the baby, I give you kudos, my friend. It's hard to do.
Thanks, Tanner.
All right, as you guys trickle on in here, just getting some stuff set up. We live stream hopped on early for once, so let's do it. Let's do the damn thing.
This beautiful sell off. This shit has literally fell off a cliff,
bro. Fucking
Nice.
crazy.
I gotta do my pre-market real quick.
Yeah, do your thing. Good morning, guys. Good morning. I'm gonna go over the levels here in 1 second. I'm just getting a couple other things set up on my screen, so just hang tight.
Get it tight. Get it tight. Get it right.
Get it right. Wow. Okay. There's some more stuff set up. Things you guys can't see, but we're getting it going. What up, guys? That are joining in.
What up?
We ain't slinging the open, so we have a second to chill.
The hash slinging.
The hash slinging flasher.
The sash singing.
I saw. I went to. There's a Spirit Halloween store open right by the gym, and my girl was like, "Oh, we're going to a rave." There's a big rave called Escape that Insomniac throws here in California every year on Halloween. I guess it's like one of her favorites, so we're gonna go to that. And she's like, "Let's go on to Spirit, look at stuff." And we're just looking at stuff, and they had a shirt, and it said the hash slinging slasher. And I was like, "Oh shit, that's funny."
Hash slinging.
All right. Okay. We are Gucci now. Let's get into it. What's good, guys? Good morning. How we doing? Tuesday morning, not Monday. Hope everyone enjoyed Labor Day weekend, had some extra time off, had some time to chill, had some time to do whatever the hell you wanted to do. It's going to make you feel good and hopefully focus to tackle the markets accordingly. So, big old fatty sell-off overnight, right? Big sell-off. What do we see today? Well, when in doubt, zoom out. So daily, what are we working with? We're coming back into these ranges, right? A few ranges here to work with. All these daily lows are sleeping right now. This is kind of the first area of interest I actually had today. Is this 23,050, 23,000, let's call it. Especially volatility like this, 50 points plus or minus is nothing. VIX is up 8.3% on VIX futures. And with a move like this overnight, what's the first thing we got to think of? First thing we need to be thinking of is risk. So you should be sizing down today. Remember, you can still make really good money if you're in a high risk environment trading less size with futures. That's the beauty of it. So I'll probably be sizing down to like 3 micros. Maybe I'll go up to like 5, 6, 7 max. I don't know. We'll see. It really just depends on like how much risk I have to work with, depending on where I get involved. But big moves like this, again, you can get easy snapbacks of like 70 points, 80 points. And if you're trading micros, you still make the same amount of money, right? But you're just being smarter with the risk. So that's my first thing I just wanted to say with everyone is be careful with the risk, size down, important to do. So we are coming into this low right here, kind of this zone. Oops, I always do that. So here, kind of have that low initially, the top of this range. We obviously have like a little bit of tails to work with here, sweeping liquidity, like kind of like I said right here at the open. So the big plan today is to see how this digests, number one. When we're down 1.75% into the open like this, first of all, we're already down a whole entire ATR. So really, like, we got to see if there's a gap and go or a gap and crap, right? That's kind of like what I like to call it. Is it gap and go or is it gap and crap? You won't know that till we have some more time to work with. So we have data at 9:45. We have data also at 10 a.m., which means be fucking patient. Treat it as a Monday morning, right? Like I know it's a big gap, and this can always like entice people to be like, oh shit, I need to be involved. It's a big move. It's the beginning of the week. We have news right now. Let things digest. Just chill. So, especially after my fucking shitty performance last week, my only focus this whole week is just to slow it down. And that's just what you got to do sometimes to reset. I know a lot of people actually had a tough kind of end of the month last week too. I was talking to some people. So, slow it down. Chill out. Slow it down. Like the market's not going anywhere, but you being in control of your actions and stuff is what's mainly important. So yeah, watching these lows right here, obviously, like I said, we are sleeping in them now. If we fail this and end up actually fully gapping and crapping, continuing lower, next point of focus is going to be down here, 830s, right? This range low. And we'll have to see how that's digested because that was the previous range from this 4 hour back in, I don't even know when this was. I know this thing. This is end of July. Beginning of July was the start of this range. So really haven't really done shit. We just came up here. We were in this terrible range here, overshot it, and then trapped everyone that thinking it was breaking back out. And now we're back down here. So again, watching these edge points, want to see how they digest, want to see what they do. I'm going to go from there. So that's what I got. Lawrence, how are you? Good morning. I'm done yapping.
I'm tired, man. Sleepy.
Baby.
So, yeah, I think you said it all.
Yeah. So, yeah, you got it. All right. That's good. Perfect.
You crossed all T's, dotted all I's, man.
I want to make sure I do that this week, dude. No fuckery. Hopefully.
I realized last week so this weekend I rewatched the Mark Douglas Think Like a Pro seminar. This was probably like my 4th time watching that seminar, my entire like 4 years of trading. Like I normally watch it like once a year.
Yeah.
And it just made so much more sense now. Like, oh my gosh, it made so much more sense. It really locked me in. So I took a bunch of notes. I actually talked to KB about it too. He sent me over a document of like all his notes and just phenomenal. Shout out to KB.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's what I was on this weekend, man. Just studying the Mark Douglas lectures.
Good for you.
I'm reading this new book.
Okay.
You know, this is about neuroscience and trading psychology. So it talks about the brain function, like the actual brain function and how it relates to trading. So because I'm at a point right now, it's just like I don't need any more tweaks to my technical system. I'm just like 100% psychology right now, just so I can remain consistent and get as much money as I can consistently.
For sure. I mean, and that's the thing is like once you kind of get to that, I always talk about this too. It's like when you understand technicals of like your system, whatever it is, either technicals of like your system itself or the charts, whatever. It doesn't mean shit if you can't execute it. So it's all about your headspace and how to like to ebbs and flows into that. And so that's
it's funny you say that. It's funny you say that because like I've had like 2 or 3 people. One of my YouTube videos is like blowing up right now. It's like the the latest one I dropped, the 14.8K a month from just one trade a day.
Yep.
Yeah, I got like 3,500 views on that, and I got like almost 950 subscribers now.
Oh, let's go. Almost at 1,000.
So basically,
baby.
Yeah, almost at 1,000. So basically, like there was like 2 people that commented and was like, what's your strategy? And I'm like, you're not going to be able to execute it. Like I could tell you step by step, you're not going to be able, because the first time you lose, you're just going to like you're going to nuke the whole thing. Like, I mean, I'll tell you, but like, what do you think this is going to do for you? Like, what do you think is going to happen?
Yeah.
Nothing's going to happen.
I mean, strategies also are just individualistic for everyone, dude. That's why some
people
are like great at ICT shit and other people just aren't.
Right? At it. Yeah.
You know, it's just individualistic for everyone. So it's all about how you can execute it. It's really what it comes down to.
Yeah.
Really
Consistently.
nice.
That's the thing. Consistently. Like,
Yeah. Yeah.
once
Really
you,
nice
because my,
reclaim here at the open.
mm,
This is just real quick, some market commentary. Look at this, guys. See, that's why I like these levels, right? We sweep it, we hold it, put in this 5-minute hammer. It's looking pretty nice now, right? See how it plays out, but decent move here off the open. But anyways, continuing.
I'm not touching shit to 10.
Yeah, I'm not either. I'm
I don't
chilling.
think anybody should be touching shit to 10.
Yeah, we just went over that.
But yeah, it's just like, because with my system, I technically have like between a 50. Honestly, I think at my peak of my system, I can get like a 2.2 R with a 65% win rate, which is really good. But it's like, if I have a 50% win rate, so meaning I'll lose half and win half. If I give somebody my system, they're gonna tilt. They're gonna
Yeah,
tilt because 50% is too much.
yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like if they had
For
like
sure.
Austin's win rate or something like that, then I'm pretty sure they'll do a little bit better,
Yeah,
but they'll eventually tilt on that as well. Cause
yeah.
like you're not gonna be used to losing.
Yep, yep,
Yeah.
exactly. Let's get a nice pop here at the open. How are we doing? Chat, what's going on? Let's give some good mornings here. Let's give some good mornings in the chat. We got Brian, we got Drew, Alex, Fit. That's Lie, Alex, Nikki Pips, futuristic day trader, Martin. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. We are running a sick Labor Day weekend sale, and it
Yes,
is
we
going
are.
to last until next Monday. You guys probably seen the banner at the top, but we decided to make some changes to the group coaching program. We're doubling the sessions. We're going from 2 times a week to 4 times a week. I'm sorry. Month, asterisk, rewind. 2 sessions a
Jeez.
month to 4
Please.
sessions a month, not per week. Um,
Please.
so we're doubling the amount of sessions, which is sick. We're doing 20% off the month to month if you want to just do month to month, or there are yearly options if you want to still do it with that. And we're doing 14 days for free. So literally every single person watching this live stream, if you don't at least do one free coaching session, your fault. Whatever. Okay. Be stubborn. I don't care. But the offer is there for you. Next Monday, the 20% is going away. I don't even know if we're gonna do the free trial or not. We might still do a free trial. We'll me and Lawrence will talk about that. But for sure, the 20% is going away no matter what. So this is your chance to try it, lock it in a good rate, and get some coaching. Kind of go over your flaws, go over your stuff. The sessions have been really, really awesome. Everyone likes them so far. And again, now you got nothing to lose. Like it's like not that you had anything to lose before, you only had shit to gain, but I get it. I understand how people are. I don't know if I want to pay for this. I don't know if I want to do that. I get it. That's totally fine. But now we're making it so it's like, okay, if you don't want to, if you keep blowing money on prop accounts and you haven't ever like invested in mentorship or at least attempt mentorship, it's you're a retard. I'm just gonna just be blunt. I took my filter off a while ago, so I'm just gonna say that. So I'm gonna throw this in the chat. 20% off.
I just dropped it.
Oh, you got it. Okay, sick. Cool. Thank you. Appreciate that. Go ahead and check it out. Use the link. And we'll go from there on it. But nice pop here at the open. We are cruising. Let's see what we got going on here, ladies and gents. Really nice little pop skis.
Mm-hmm.
Nvidia kind of bottomed out too. That helped for sure. For sure. For sure. Let's see how she does.
He's very supportive.
What up?
So I fuck with Luna. He's very supportive.
Yeah, Luna's a G. He was really cool at the seminar. We met him. Tell us how you really feel. I know, right?
I mean, if
So
you
like
think
that.
about it, like that's exactly what it is. It's kind of like you continuously. What sense does it make to blow thousands of dollars, hundreds to
Mhm.
thousands of dollars on prop firm challenges per month, but then you got to think about something that's actually going to help you at least lower
Mhm.
the amount of accounts you blow
Yeah.
for like the same for like less like for less like
Yeah.
tremendous like like if you spend $1,000 on prop firm accounts and we're offering you for something a little over $100 that you're going to be attending weekly sessions that's going to help you stop blowing so many accounts or even get a payout at that over time.
Yep.
This is a no-brainer
Yeah.
with a
Exactly.
2-week free trial, but you got to think about that. But you ain't got to think about the prop accounts, but you got to think about this.
Well, I know. And that's always a funny thing to me. I'm like, all right, go. Good luck. Like, people are so hesitant to it's people just rip money on these prop accounts, and then you actually do the math and add it up. Like, it's $127 a month for coaching.
Yeah.
$127 a month. I know your activation fee is $150 for Top Step, all of you alone, if you even get to that point. So I'm sick of it.
That part, if
I'm
you
sick of it. I'm sick of it. I'm
that
done.
part, if you even get there,
If you even get to that point, I'm sick
yeah,
of it though.
I'm telling you.
So,
I didn't even tell you about the call. I had a call with somebody, like a sales call with somebody, and
mm,
like this guy was telling me how he projected before he started. He said he's very analytical. And this is how I
mm,
know psychology is so important. Listen to this shit.
mm,
This is how I know trading psychology is so important. This man said I'm super analytical and I pretty much created a projection of how much I'm going to spend on prop accounts as I'm learning. So I already know I'm going to blow them up. It's just I set a budget and I know how much I'm going to spend. That's what he said.
mhm.
He is
Exactly.
spending way more than he anticipated that he was going to, but then questioned the price of the one-on-one coaching, which was tremendously less than what he was spending. And
Mhm,
I told him straight up, I was like, bro, you're going to spend this anyway. So you can either spend it on somebody that's going to at least help lower the amount of accounts you blow so you can at least
mhm.
save some money if you're not going to make it to a payout. At least spend this to save some money if you're not going
Yep,
to make it to a payout, bro.
yep.
Like, oh
Agreed.
my goodness.
Agreed. 100%, bro. You're right. Good question here in the chat. All in real estate. Is it per month or you have to pay for the yearly? No, with this promo, it's per month. So $127 a month is the 20% off. And
But
month
the
to month.
yearly is a bigger
The
discount.
yearly you do save. We still have some spots open for the $99 a month, but it is yearly. You do have to pay for that. If you want to lock in that rate, because it's like the best deal we're ever gonna have, basically. But yeah, the promo right now is 20% off the month to month rate. And so again, month to month, you try it for 2 weeks, you lock in, you do it you basically get 6 weeks. If you want to just commit to 1 month, $127, you get 6 weeks of coaching. For whatever reason you don't like it, you can cancel it. But like, that's the
Six
thing. I was
weeks,
like,
6 weeks of coaching for $127 is crazy.
yep, exactly. It's a no-brainer, in my opinion. But I'm biased, obviously. It's our business. But
Of
in
course.
coaching
Yeah.
profit, straight up, straight up.
And then
Get
the
a nice
annual is
it's a nice run
$99.
here. Nice run here at the open. Coming up into VWAP here. I really want to see how this VWAP's treated. We have data right now, basically. So let's see how ultimately this shines through. Let's see how she shines through here. And kind of go from there. I got no levels really until 220s. Ooh, I got a level at VWAP. Ooh, interesting. I have a level at 220 and VWAP is at 226. It's not at 250. Oh, I got maybe on MNQ it's at 250. But what I have here, it's not. So it's different. Differente. Much more different, my friends. Getting a little rejection. RTY is getting a nice rejection. YM is engulfing that little 5-minute bar it just had. SPY is rejecting VWAP. I do want to see if this can get a push into VWAP here up higher. Kind of like this, but I still want to wait. I just don't want to. Yeah. NVIDIA is getting a good push, actually. I might try this here. I think I'm going to try this. Let's go.
Order filled.
Oof. See this? Look how big the risk is. This is what I'm talking about, guys. So like this risk is already like so overdone, in my opinion.
Yeah, it's
the
range and momentum.
I don't like this. I'm gonna take some off actually into my 220s. I don't like how much risk I have on here. That's way too much. Not a fan of this. 450. I just want to test a VWAP here. So I want NVIDIA is really strong. I like this push on NVIDIA. That's why. And I was kind of bringing the market down before.
Mm-hmm.
So I want to see if this can keep going. I literally feel like I have a negative R multiple on this though. My target's 225. Basically, this is like a 1-to-1 for me. Very rare. Which I don't like. But with a move like this off the open, I don't know. I might just base hit this in the VWAP here and then maybe look for one more trade after if we can get it. Everything's lining up. Oh, nice push across the board, though.
Yeah, that was a nice little pop.
Yeah, really nice push across the board. See if we can get this push here into VWAP. One more rippy here into VWAP. This is my first negative R multiple trade of my life.
Oh God, we're not going to stop this time.
No, we're not. Yeah, we're not.
We're not doing this. That's one thing. We're not.
Yeah.
We're not doing that.
We're not doing that. We're not doing that.
Please.
I just want to be safe though and take this if we get it. Edge me more.
Tanner me.
One more little push, dude.
That's what Derek calls it. He calls it Tanner.
Okay. Nice W there. I'm gonna chill hard. I can't see myself holding it through this right here. I have a level and we have VWAP and we just push straight up basically. So I'm happy with that little 1-to-1 there. I'm gonna take that for now. And then if I take one more trade, it just has to be really, really selective. And then I got to be selective. I got to be selective with it if I do. But that was a fucking really nice push there off the open. So let's see what she does. See how she follows through. We'll take the W. And we'll take that W for now.
Mm-hmm.
God, YM looks beautiful. I love that type of setup. Here comes ES right into its VWAP.
He said minutes. Yep. News in 9 minutes.
News in 9 minutes. Yep. Mm-hmm. Did you see Baba gapped up to 140 at the open last night?
No, I don't even look at Baba.
Well, that's what I traded on Friday. I made that fucking bag off of.
0 DT.
Yeah.
0 DT.
Dude, I'm sick of these recruitment email. We talked about this recently, guys. These fucking recruiter texts I get are just insane. I'm like, I haven't had a resume on the internet in so long. Where has this come from?
All our information.
Ridiculous. Stop. I need to delete my LinkedIn. Yo, how can I get on the stream, fellas? Send me vials of testosterone or D-ball, Tren. I'm just totally kidding. Get on the stream. I don't know. We don't really do guests. We haven't really done it yet. I'll tell you what. If you join Strong Trading Group Coaching, and you prove you got some skills or some shit to say and some shit to help the people, maybe we'll bring you on as a guest. Maybe we'll bring you on as a guest. Let me be the first.
That is a good, that is pretty, yeah. Because the thing is, if you join and then attend the group coaching sessions and you're interactive in the coaching sessions, I mean, that's normally something that will actually catch people's attention.
For sure, yeah. I mean, that's what we want as, you know, as to build a brand, especially like building Strong Trading. I'm just big. I just want people that are authentic and people that give good information. Authenticity is just the realest thing. I mean, you guys saw me crash out last week all week, and that was just me being authentic. You know, is what it is. But that's the biggest thing. 8 years of experience. I like that. That's dope. For sure. Kyle, in that case, I'll be on stream tomorrow.
Right.
Love. Shout out Kyle. Kyle was in Strong Trading one-on-one coaching, and Kyle's done over $50,000 in payouts. And Kyle's one of the probably the most jacked person low key in Strong Trading. More jacked than me. Southern boy, just built like a fucking just built like a fridge and just
damn, like a fridge, bro.
Like a fridge, but like a good, you know, quality. It's like the fridge you have in your garage. It's a freezer you have in your garage. That, you know, you went and bought half a cow from a local ranch, and it's just filled with protein.
Chopped it up and just filled the whole freezer up.
Yeah, exactly.
For months, years, in case of Armageddon.
Yeah, exactly.
So basically, Kyle, you're a big back.
Yeah,
that's what Tanner. He said you're a big back, bro.
Oh God. How do you suggest taking smaller size in this case? What was your first question? Was long on NQ off the reclaim, got TP'd out because of the daily profit limit. Yeah, I mean, smaller size for sure. That was the first thing I said at the beginning of the stream, because of this crazy vol. So, like you saw, I took a trade earlier, and I opened up my risk to where I wanted to have it structure wise, like I normally trade, and I was like, oh, that's more than I expected. So for sure, size down. VIX is definitely falling though. VIX kind of pinned. We were up like 8% on VIX. Now it's only up 5%. So what are you laughing at, bro? What the fuck you laughing at, bro?
Because, bro, hold on. Okay. So I'm gonna show you this. So basically, I was looking at the comments, and Alex said that he's built like a medium-sized Yeti cooler, and I didn't know what the fuck that was.
Oh, you didn't look it up? You didn't know what a Yeti was? Yo, on the real though, at least I'll give Alex a shout out on this. Yeti is great quality. That means he's got some great quality medium-sized Yeti cooler built. I want to be a fridge.
He said, "Look." He said that he built like he said that he built like this.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! That was good.
That was pretty good. That was good. I'm glad you pulled that up. Thank you for sharing that.
God, he's really built like this.
Oh my god! I'm fucking dying. Fucking hilarious.
My goodness. That was funny. Sorry.
You're all good.
That was a good one. That was
check these out. Actually, my girlfriend, I was like, it's a classic girl thing, dude. I'm like, oh, I need a couple coasters or something. And like, as a man, I'm like, I'm not buying fucking coasters, dude. I don't need to do that shit. And so my girlfriend's like, let me buy them. Let me get you coasters. And I'm like, okay. I'm like, but give me like some. I'm like, I don't really care. I was like, give me like some like cool gym ones or something. And so I had her find these.
Oh, that's tough.
Yeah, they're coasters.
I like
just
that.
like a barbell. Yeah, it's sick. So
like
they're literally 3D printed and kind of shitty, like little things on the bottom. But I was like, oh, perfect. I just need one on my desk for coffee. That's like all I need. It's pretty funny. All right, we're coming into 10 a.m. here, having some fun. Let's see what's going on. Quick shout out to Top One Futures. They are basically a sponsor of the stream right now. If you use code STRONG, first of all, doing actually a really sick promo. You can trade up to 5 of the instant funded accounts, which they've never done before, but only the 25K and the 50Ks. So if you are interested in trading the 50Ks, I actually know a lot of people trade 50Ks. You can trade up to 5 of them now, which is pretty cool. Instant funded. I think all in, it's like 200 and something bucks. That's like, they don't even do activations fees. It's straight to funded. So definitely really sick deal. And I think with my code, it's 50% off or like whatever it is. So go ahead and check that out. I'm going to throw the link here in the comment section. But go ahead and check that out. Awesome deal from Top One Futures. Shout out Top One Futures. That is the live account I am currently trading on right now. Live status with them. They do offer daily payouts once you get to live, which is pretty neat. So go ahead and check them out.
Do you have a payout schedule, or do you just take it when you feel like it?
Well, no, the fact that I've gotten wrecked the past week, I have no payout schedule, so I'm just trying to build myself back. What's cool is though, I can't even though my balance is below the initial starting point of 15K, they'll let you take out payouts on green days. So I could take a payout if I want today. I just want to build it back though. I don't see a point, and I don't know. It just depends. Maybe to feel something, I might, but I want to build it a little bit more, kind of go from there with it. So we'll see.
If anybody understands, I understand. I traded the whole month. I traded the end of July and the whole month of August, and I have not taken a payout yet.
Even though you're eligible for what, 16K payout or something like that?
15.
Yeah.
Yeah, eligible for a 15K payout and have not taken one yet. Traded the whole month of August. Yeah. See how many? Like, not too many people will do that.
Yeah,
but the fact is, you need the buffer, man. Like, I need the buffer.
Yeah, it definitely helps.
Here we are, 10 a.m.
Okay, here's the news. So far, fucking great, dude. We were down 1.7%. Now we're only down 0.8%. So far, reclaiming really, really good. Straight shot, straight up, basically. There it goes, pushing even more. Kind of getting out of that territory of pain. And that's why it's so important, guys, to watch these bigger picture time frames. I know we're intraday traders, but look at this. Like, that 5-minute camera at the open, like, literally set the tone to us retrace half this fucking move. So look, we sweep these lows, right? 75s all the way down to 31s. Only about 30 points of a sweep. Oh, not even. We actually came down to here. I couldn't see it because the volume bar. Here's the low right here. 37. We literally barely swept it down to 25. So literally like 12 points. But that's why I like watching. This is my system in a nutshell also. It's like I'm so focused on levels because these edge points, you're going to find buyers or sellers within them. Do we sustain and keep going? I'm like, I don't know. I don't care. I'm a day trader. But I just know if we get a reaction off there, we can get some swift move that's going to go the other way. You get this, right? This is great. You can make lots of money in this. Lots and lots of money in this. So I love looking at these types of zones and areas. They're great to work with. So I'm a fan. I'm a fan of them.
So when it comes to ISM manufacturer purchasing PMI, we did not meet the forecast by 0.3. So the forecast was 49, and then the actual was 48.7. And I didn't know what ISM PMI was. So for those who don't know, ISM PMI is a monthly economic indicator that measures the health of U.S. manufacturing sector. And they do that by surveying purchasing managers on things like orders, new orders, production, employment, supplier deliveries, and inventory. So what I'm getting from this is more so like, when you start a business, you have to pretty much purchase raw materials in order to make the product or the service that you're going to be delivering. So I guess that they're surveying the purchasing managers of like major companies to see if they're actually buying more and more raw materials in order to create, their product to sell to the consumers. That's what I got from that.
Interesting. It's actually good to learn. I rarely know shit about the data. I just watch it go some way, technically speaking, and then
Yeah, for
go
sure.
from
Me
there
too.
with it. So
Too.
that's why, yeah. See, that's why I like took the long from down there when we were talking about that level. Good shit. Understand bigger picture. US 30 ripping. That's YM, I think, right? I think that is YM, and it is ripping. It's looking really, really strong, looking good. Look at this overshoot here. Okay, what I'm going to be watching for here, I want to see a pullback to New York VWAP and see that hold, because that's going to be a strong sign for me that if that can hold, it's roughly in, so you guys can know, we're sitting around like 160. I think if we can retest 150s and hold, I'm going to look for a long, literally just back up into the range. So far, though, this is overshooting pretty decent. I don't even know if I'll get it, but we'll see. Now that I'm already green, especially earlier, I'm being so fucking patient, so patient to potentially take one more trade. So all I want to do is just be really patient with it. Shorts looking not too shabby. Yeah, they aren't. They aren't. I like this rejection here. That would be the setup if it's going to reject. But it also kind of feels like one of those days where everyone thinks we're going to be short. Like, finally, here's the short. Here we are. We're looking for it. So that's why, like, I want to see a pullback to this 150 and then potentially a move back up. Let's go through some of these candles. Bigger bar. Oh, look at this 30-minute bar, man. Crazy. Hold of this, like, almost like fucking just beautiful. Look at this. I gotta zoom down to see it, but it's like, we love levels. We love them. Beautiful, beautiful hold there. Let's go to the hourly chart. Same type of deal. Bullish engulfing bar in the hourly. Really, really nice. Other than that, everything else is kind of cruising. Here's the rejection. Here, this is going to be really interesting to see if this follows through. It's a pretty big bar here. Wonder if this is going to hold 220s or not. Oh, trying to break down here. I feel like this might hold. Either this is going to hold and we're going to reclaim this bar and keep going,
Or we're going to sell off.
or we're going to sell off into 150s. That's what's going to happen right now.
I think we might sell off only because it's like I don't see enough momentum to fucking fill the gap.
Yeah, I don't know if we'll fully fill the
Like,
gap. That's right. That's right.
exactly. So it's either we're going to sell off or we're going to, like, I'm not saying that we won't fill the gap, but I'm saying it's either we're going to sell off right now or we're going to be sideways for the rest of the day.
Yeah. Oscar short, risking 220.
Makes sense. That makes sense.
Not bad at all. Yeah. Risk at the highs here.
Yeah.
Not bad, Oscar.
Makes a lot of sense.
NVIDIA coming into VWAP, getting that sell like I'm talking about. I want to really see. I mean, if we can come into 150s here and hold, which is a New York VWAP and key level I have, that would be nice to work with.
What do you think is likely to happen? Or not likely? Don't know.
What's not likely?
I don't either, but
I don't know. Based on the open, this hammer at the open, I feel like we don't take these lows personally. Obviously, anything can happen, but I feel like it's more unlikely to lose the lows. So that's why if we can pull back into 150s here and we can hold that, that's where I'm going to be looking to get involved.
Yeah, I need to see how violent this pullback we're going through right now is going to be.
Yeah.
Like, it's just because right now it's kind of like slowly going down. So that's not too bad of a sign. It's not too bad of a sign.
This
But
pin here. But see, I could see them trying to just hold this bottom here and just bring it back up also.
yeah. It's not too violent. It's still, this could be a healthy pullback. But we'll see.
We'll see. Yeah. See, so far they're from a 5-minute point of view. Look at this. All right, they're trying to pin it here. I have a level sitting right at 220. So this is the area where they would fight. If they're gonna fight. Thank you always for interacting with the chat, of course. Thank you for showing up, Oscar. UG. You always cool thing about us only having like 200 people that watch the live stream is it's easy to interact with the chat. Obviously, as we grow, it can be a little bit more difficult, but do our best. Do our best.
If we do grow and it gets a little difficult, the day ones just go to our Discord.
Yeah, and I'll just know who you are. So everyone, well, eventually, when it's all these fucking weirdos in the chat, I'll be like, okay, I'm only answering Oscar's question and Derek's and everyone, all the OGs. Nikki Pips. Shout out Nikki Pips, bro. This motherfucker sent me $20, $25 to get a beer over the weekend.
That's nice.
It's a good soul. Good soul. That's my new trend. I told everyone on IG. I was like, we do these streams for free, but either use my code when it comes to Top 1 Futures or buy me a beer. Like, thanks. All right, let's see here. Digesting. How do we digest? NVIDIA losing VWAP. That's not a good sign. I wonder if this is actually going to fully fill the gap or not. It's a really good question, Lawrence.
Yeah, I mean, I just don't see enough momentum to do so. Like, normally we fill a gap. It gets violent. It'll get violent, get very close to the gap, and then it'll pull back when you're just like, okay, we're like 70-80% of the way here. We're pulling back and we're most likely going to go ahead and close it. But this is kind of like we're not even 50% of the way there and we're already pulling back. Like, you know what I'm saying? So
yeah.
Not saying that it can't.
Because of that, though, that might be a scenario where because we're not even 50%, it pulls back to like maybe 150s, holds, and then goes. So
yeah, I mean, it's possible, but then it's just like that's going to take all day, right? Like if we pull, like how long is it going to take before? Because we can normally get a nice little rip and then a pullback, and then the next leg up, we're normally chopping a little bit. Like it takes way slower to get there. So like, I don't know. We'll see. We're not selling off. Like this little pullback right here isn't violent.
But sometimes because of these pullbacks like this, when they're really like not violent, this actually sets up for a deeper sell. That's what
I've seen that too. I've seen that too.
That's what I'm worried about.
I've seen that too. I've seen chop all the way down before, for sure.
Yeah, that's definitely what I'm worried about. I just want to play my strategy. We're coming into VWAP here on New York, which also, like I said, lines up with like the 150 area. So if I can get that and that can hold, like I'll attempt it there, and I probably won't even risk too much. But if we can get that and it can see some sort of hold, I'll try that. So far, YM though still really strong setup overall in YM. Do you offer lifting tips in the trading Discord? I actually do. We have three sections. We have a training section, nutrition, and recovery. And yeah, I fucking love. I want to hang out in that section the most. It's my favorite. So it's cool. Like a lot of people just kind of like, for some of them, it's just accountability, like posting about either their lifts or even like their body weight, their food, whatever it is. I love that little section. So yeah, for sure. Any questions you have in there? My 14 years of lifting experience, I'm more than happy to answer those whenever you have them. Letter Nikki. Peace.
So one more time for everybody who just now got into the chat, we have 20% off. So we changed the group. Look at the banner at the top of the screen. We changed the group coaching from bi-weekly Zoom calls to now we're doing weekly Zoom calls. So every Monday, we're going to do a Zoom call, 45-minute to an hour Zoom call. We do a lecture and then we talk about like trade recaps, the things that we've learned. And then we'll do like a 15 to 20-minute live question and answer Q&A. So you guys can hop on, ask questions, we'll answer them. And we're doing that weekly, every single Monday evening. So that being said, we're offering a 14-day free trial and 20% off for Labor Day weekend, bringing the price down to $127 a month. But you get 2 sessions free, $127 a month, and 4 Zoom calls a month, weekly.
Yep.
So I'm going to put this in the comment section for everybody. And click on it, bro.
Definitely the best deal we're running so far. What time did the Zoom meeting start? So right now they are Mondays at 6:30 p.m. Eastern. So even for the 9 to 5ers, kind of gets you some time to come home and get settled in for a second, and then you can hop on the calls. And they're all recorded, so it's like there's
they are recorded.
They are open. They are open Q&A, so you can ask questions while you're in them. And then they all are recorded after. So like, let's say you can't make a session for whatever reason, it'll be recorded. And the cool thing we do is we actually throw it up there like in the discussion. So basically you can ask about whatever you want within that. So it's like, let's say you rewatch it and you have a question on something, you can literally just hop in there and be like, I have a question on this, I have a question on that. And you can still get your questions answered, which is like the whole idea of it. Is like we really want it to be like, want to answer your questions, we want to go over good topics that can really help, and that's the game plan with it, guys. So go ahead and check it out.
This almost feels like a no trade day for me.
Yeah, it's kind of tricky for sure.
I mean, it's almost 10:15.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I'm shopping around here.
Again, I just want to see this pullback to VWAP how it's treated. That's all I want to see. So far, ES is rejecting VWAP pretty well. And then obviously this doesn't look good for longs. We'll have to see. I mean, we'll have to see, my friends.
Yeah.
We will have to see.
I think if we break below 125s, between 138 and 125, we break below that, we're sinking.
Yeah, we might. I don't know. This is kind of tough. Pretty tricky here.
Short. That's not a bad short Oscar took, honestly.
Yeah, I know. It's not. Well, especially now it's reacting well.
Yeah.
But he waited for the overshoot, which was really good. I love this little pin bar overshoot. Now this is he's even more in the driver's seat with this bar, I would say. Just kind of got to see how we react here as we come down into VWAP.
Mm-hmm.
What does this line up with?
A little buying pressure coming up.
Just get the top of this wick right around 160s. We'll see. We shall see.
This is trading.
This is trading, my friends. We're sitting waiting.
Gold moving to all-time highs. Nice.
Okay. You're not going to give me VWAP? I don't care. I'll be patient. I'll fucking sit here and wait. Gold moving to all-time highs. Okay. That's what he said. Ain't that bearish for the market? Oh, look at them going to reclaim VWAP here. No entry. Nothing to work with. Tricky. Tricky McTrickerson.
Mm-hmm. What are those people called that do market analysis for a living?
Like analysts.
Analysts. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No.
For some reason in my mind, because I'm slightly retarded, I kept thinking of analyzer, which is not it's
I
not
mean,
bad. I mean
if you
that's a
want to get,
word.
if you want to get, I mean, you're technically not wrong in a sense.
Yeah, yeah, for
You
sure.
know. Yo, you know what's dope is, dude, I'm fucking falling in love with these long dated options, bro. I
Yeah, I like them.
bought these Baba calls. So I bought January 180 Baba calls like a hot minute ago. I think like
Mm-hmm.
probably almost a month ago. They were down
Mm-hmm.
like 40% at one point, and then we got the crazy earnings pop, and now they're up 50%.
Damn.
And I still got till January. Obviously, we're still pretty far from 180, but I'm like, I don't know. I feel like Baba's a good one right now. Baba and Apple are like my two. I'm like, please just go to the moon because I have money in it. But so far, tough little area here to be involved with. We got the overshoot of VWAP here. We fail, we come back down. They're trying to retest. Not a lot of conviction in this zone. Just a tough zone, tough area. Great question here. So if I lock in 127 a month and you raise the price, I'm still going to be at 127 a month? Yes. Whatever
Yeah, for
rate you
sure.
lock in at, we will never make you pay more unless you leave and want to come back and that deal's not there. Obviously, you're kind of fucked. So it's funny. We had some people sign up already for the free trial and then like set the cancel right away. And I'm like, okay, well, if you don't fully see out the 2 weeks and you cancel it, like, because next Monday that's gone, and they really like the group coaching. We haven't even done a session like yet, you know, like they just signed up last night and then instantly set it to cancel. And I'm like, all right, well, if you do that and you really like it, and then you want to lock back in that price, you can't get it. So, like, do what if you're really curious about like, or if you're worried about like, oh, I don't know if I'm going to do it, whatever, set an alarm a few days before, and then before it's supposed to charge you, and then just double check how you feel. That's it. Just join through WAP. Yep, just join through WAP.
Mm-hmm.
Use that link, sign up through WAP. It'll get you set up in the Discord. Good to go. Easy. All right. Still in this consolidation zone. YM is retesting its VWAP. This might just go, dude. This might just take everyone out here. I don't know. It's kind of tricky. Tough. Let's go real estate. All in real estate. All in strong trading. Same but different. Michael, good dude. I know you kind of had a crazy end of the week last week. 3x daily goal hit, nice long versus the 180s, keeping a runner on. Let's fucking go, dude. I want to see that 40K Apex payout. Michael's in strong trading coaching, and he's gonna fucking make a shit ton of money. He's already made a good amount of money, but he wanted to dial in his process more. And that's what we're doing. That's exactly what we're doing. Nothing to work with here still. 15-minute. I wonder if we're going to engulf this inverted hammer here. I wish we could have seen one more pullback, dude. That would have been nice.
Yeah, I mean, there's not much to. I mean, I didn't see much to work with personally. Like, I
Well,
mean,
yeah,
yeah,
with this,
we have this bull flag. Yeah, we got the bull flag, but for
yeah, there's a little bit of,
me and my
yeah,
system, I just it was nothing for me.
yeah. This is kind
Like
of
maybe if we pull back and retest the bull flag and then get some more momentum to the upside for another leg up, I'll probably take that.
yeah.
But I don't know. Where's the sweep in all of this too? I don't really like moving unless I see some type of
I know, right? If
something
you go
as
to
such.
5 minute wise, there's nothing really to work with. Like I said, sweep wise until here or here, right? The extremes right now, high day or lower day. I just
Michael
love
says
this
he's
at
just
the
waiting.
open.
Okay.
What do you say? Just waiting for the rug pull here. LOL. Hard to hold conviction since I'm not seeing what I want in equities, but that's process. So I'm out most of it. Good shit, dude. Yeah, I mean, we are Nvidia is still rejecting its VWAP here. So this right here could be a lower high, to be honest. And then we could sell off more. I don't know. It's kind of tricky.
Tricky.
This for sure could be a lower high here. Your risk has to be here at 82. You got to risk 50 points here if you want to take that short. And I ain't interested in doing that personally, my friend. I ain't interested. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do it. Yeah, I think it's a lower high here. I think we'll dump. Yep. Looking like it.
Yeah, I mean, we didn't get the momentum we needed to close that gap.
Mm-mm. This
We
is the
didn't get
lower
scared
high.
out of. I hope Oscar didn't get scared out of his position either.
Yeah, I know. Nvidia just broke its recent lows. Here we go. Let's see. Get your bear momentum. Do it. Dump. Dump, 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 the dump. I hate these like tight consolidation zones like this. I had to look away, rip the stizzy one time. Let's go, real estate. Just join strong trading coaching. That's what's up. That's what's good. Welcome in, my friend. Yeah, these little tight consolidation zones, dude, are just tough. You got to exercise a lot of patience because it's a lot of uncertainty in these areas.
Yeah.
We're going to probably get more selling though. It would make sense. There should be a lower high. We should sell off at least in the VWAP, like I said. But based on this now, I don't even know if I want to take the long anymore. I don't really like it as much. I would have rather seen a steeper sell into it than a bounce. That's what I don't like.
You know what I don't like?
What do you not like?
That Project X or Top Step, whatever, like the commission is so wicked, or I don't know if they're gonna call it a commission or a spread, but there's been so many times where I will exit a position and it's like 20 or even $40 less or more. Than like if it was a loser, it'll be like $20 more than the actual loser. If it was a winner, it's $20. Like I was like, damn, bro, like there's no way.
I will say sometimes they do have some funky stuff on fills, but it's also gone in my favor before. Where like literally we had like some crazy spike down, and then I have my stop loss there. And I actually get filled way higher. And I'm like, oh, I was supposed to lose 400 there, but I only lost 150 for like one crazy reason. I'm like, oh,
Let me
first
try
in,
this
last
long.
out. Yeah. Whatever you'd like. I'm looking for a little bit lower to try the long personally. I want to see a test of VWAP.
Gotta see how it
RTY
reacts.
VWAP. Des. I don't got RTY VWAP yet, Des. RTY VWAP's at 46s for me. Let's look. 5 minute. Yeah, 45s. This is correct. Should be 46.8. Yeah. That's what I got on my other screen too. 46.8 RTY VWAP. What I don't like is how weak NVIDIA is still.
Yeah, I would have to see a little bit more buying pressure, but right now it's looking like it could go.
I just don't like this area.
I understand.
That's what sucks. The best trade was so far off the open. This reclaim of this. Fucking ripper. Oh.
I had to fade Oscar.
Are you in?
Yeah, I'm in, but I got way more fucking risk than I want, and it's
We
only
just
three
talked about
cons.
this. We just
No, it's
talked
only
about
three
this.
contracts.
I
It's
know.
only
Okay,
three
let's
contracts.
see.
Like
Let's see.
only three.
I just threw you up there. Let's see. Where does that say? 540?
560.
560, yeah.
I think I'm gonna sell one. But is it gonna whatever? I'm gonna keep it. I don't care. Fuck
Fuck
it.
it.
This is what we're doing.
Bro, it took you out and it's moving now. Yeah, it's tricky, bro. Tricky. Damn, nice 5 minute reclaim here, Lawrence. Looking good for you.
I'm at a point in my life where I need my take profit to hit. I need the target to hit before I get,
Yeah, literally.
excited.
I know. I
You
totally I
know.
get it. I know. I totally get it. Totally get it. Totally get it, my friend.
Oops.
Pretty nice engulfing bar there. Hard to argue with that. Hard to argue with that.
Let me check my risk settings because I know, look at that, 450 liquid and block. So I'm gonna have to take this off.
No.
And I promise you guys, I'm not gonna do anything detrimental. I just need my full stop out if I get it. If it's 561, it's 561.
Why don't you set it to like 580 right now, and then you can put you can block your settings.
Oh, because I'm not gonna do anything rash.
The last thing you hear before bro full ports. No, I'm just kidding.
I
Don't
know,
do
right?
it.
I don't like this risk though, because it's just like all of my risk has been 450 like every single day. But this is a really good setup for me. Like this is a pretty high quality setup for me. Not meaning that doesn't mean I won't lose, but
Yeah. Yeah, I just had like that. I had nothing to work with in that zone.
no, there's not much here. I actually might get smoked. There's not much here.
Kind of tricky.
Tricky.
Tricky. Fucking slow. Super slow. Super duper slow. Super duper slow.
Let's go rally.
Rally.
Ooh, didn't mean to do that. Whatever.
Whatevs. Whatever.
Let's see.
Not too bad here, my friend. Not too bad here, my friend. Oscar, locking myself out after this trade because what the fuck? Yeah. I don't blame you, bro.
Yeah.
Kind of,
It wasn't a bad. Please understand.
I really don't think that was a bad trade at all, Oscar. I just think it just didn't follow through, honestly. I don't think
Yeah. Definitely. You gotta know the difference between like I always talk about probability based losses versus like possibility. Like probability is like that was your setup and your loss rate just met its expectancy. That's it. Like that was just a trade that was gonna take you to your loss rate. But if it was like an impulsive trade, then that's kind of like a trading error. But I think that wasn't really a trading error on your end. I think that was a good try, and that was just something you got charged to the game.
Yeah.
It's a tough market. It's really slow.
So slow, bro. Get one decent move and then it just all fucking slows it down. Whole lot of nothing. There you go. Trying. Kinda. But also not.
Really 450.
What?
To be my loss. I said I kind of want to move my stop because I don't want that 560 loss potentially. I want 450 if that's going to be my loss.
Michael, I have no read up here. He's like so thin. My lean is we just grind higher though. Yeah. It totally could. One of those ones where a lot of lack of clarity here. Definitely looks like it wants to grind higher, I think.
Oh shit.
Looks like it wants to.
You know you want to.
Yeah, you want to. You know you want to. You know you want to. Slow. Slow, slow, slow.
Yeah, I figured. Nice little. That's a nice little 5-minute candle there. Nice.
Yeah, no, it's not bad. I think you're not in a bad spot.
Yeah, I'm okay with this loss. Like if I lose this, I mean, I don't want to lose 560. That's the only problem with my plan right now. Like I don't want to lose
Yeah.
560. But it's like I don't want to move my stop loss either because that is the point of invalidation. Like I know that if it goes past that point, it's over
Mhm.
with.
Mhm. Yeah.
I just hope it's not one of those. All I'm asking is it's not one of those trades where it's just like it'll go into like deep into my drawdown and then
Mhm.
turn around.
Mhm.
I just wanted to kind of like just move a little bit and
Yeah.
just go because I'm really
Yeah.
not trying to trade that 560 loss.
I feel. I don't blame you. I don't blame you, my friend. God, I don't have a read up here at all. I'm just sitting. I'm sitting pretty.
Here we go.
Retest the VWAP here. Does this fail? That is the question. Does it fail?
Oh man.
Looks like it's trying to fail here.
Yeah, no, and it's just I
No,
really man.
no.
It's just I don't man. I'm cool with losing. Like I said, that 560. I don't want that.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to mentally prep myself because I can't. I'm not about to move. Like this is a good. It's a good setup. I
I
mean,
I feel like it's gonna maybe it falls off here one more time before we actually get the pop higher. This
yeah,
doesn't look like a top setup really to me, but
yeah.
it looks like we might sell off one more time down into 150s. Like I've been wanting this whole damn time. What up, team? Says the market is slow. I'd love to hear how you guys stay engaged and focused when markets are slow. Successful trading is so boring. Good question. Really good question, bro. Honestly, you gotta just like I try to check in with myself and be like, all right, Tanner, you're just bored. Don't just take something to take something. You know, is there something here? Is it likely that you can get caught up here? What do you actually see? I try to like run those questions through my head as much as I can when I enter those slow periods. Helps a little bit because we're on stream because we kind of just shoot the shit and talk to you guys. That for sure helps. And it maybe helps you guys too. If you want to just fucking chat it up on the stream when it's slow, because you know that helps you. We'll answer your questions. You know, we try to do that best we can. So generally that's kind of what I do. It works. You know. Luna,
Yeah.
speak of the devil. It's good, bro. What is good, brother?
Brother,
What is
what
good,
up?
my friend? What the fuck is up, Mr. Luna?
What the fuck?
We're just sitting here waiting and chilling. We are chilling like villains. What do you mean, speak of the devil? Actually, Lawrence was like, dude, Luna's such a piece of shit. No, I'm just kidding. He was actually talking really good on you. He's like, man, he's like, Luna's supportive. Luna's a good dude. And I was like, Luna is a good fucking dude. That's what we were saying earlier. You can go back and watch the stream earlier if you want to hear us give you clout.
It's time when you got to spread the charts open to see.
You gotta spread. Sometimes you gotta do that. You gotta spread it
You got to spread the charts open.
open. Pause.
Yeah.
Fucking. Let's see. Where's your stops at 146?
Yeah.
I think you'll be good. You might get like a test of 150 and get real close, and it might edge you. And then we like that's what I'm looking for.
I don't
Like
even want
on the
that,
pullback.
Tanner.
I'm sorry, but like that's what I'm looking for my pullback entry for a long. Is that potential edge?
I hope you don't get it.
Okay. Well,
I hope you don't get it. I hope this shit just turns around and takes off. but it doesn't look like it's doing that
It
right now.
doesn't. Yeah, it looks pretty sus right now. Looks like it wants a leg lower first.
Jeez.
Let's
I think I'm
see.
smoked.
It looks pretty heavy here.
Yeah, I'm cooked. I think I'm cooked here.
Structurally speaking, it looks pretty heavy. We're coming down into
Structurally,
VWAP here.
structurally speaking, I'm cooked.
Structurally speaking, nah, you might be okay. Just give it a little bit of breathing room. She's gonna pull back more. We're coming into SPY VWAP and New York VWAP on Qs here.
Structurally speaking, I think I'm cooked, Tanner.
Let's see.
Structurally speaking.
80s.
Structurally speaking, I'm cooked.
Right into VWAP. Coming into VWAP. Volume picking up a little bit here.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Coming into VWAP.
Mm-mm.
Tricky. I wonder if Oscar got stopped or not. Oscar, did you get stopped?
Yeah, he's out.
Following your rules is always a win. Amen to that, brother. Amen to that.
Let me get the pop here.
I feel like we get one more push lower. I don't know.
Oh, he's still in. I'll bet.
Oh, nice. That's what's up, bro. Good for you.
Good.
That means you had your stop above that high, which is good. If you short NQ, do you short NQ or US 30?
This doesn't look good. This doesn't look good. Lord.
We're sitting right on VWAP, bro. Right on it.
Nah, I'm cooked.
Wonder if we overshoot then reclaim it here.
I think I'm cooked here.
Let's see.
Damn, I'm not trying to take no $500 loss. That's stupid. Fuck, I'm cooked, man.
Let's see.
No, I'm cooked. I'm fried rice.
I'm fried rice.
Damn, I'm fried rice. Oh.
I wonder if we're gonna retest 150.
I think I'm about to get smoked on.
I want 150. Sorry,
yeah, I think I'm about to get smoked on. Yeah, I think
maybe ES retest 6,400 and holds. We are right at VWAP here, dude. I kind of want to take the long here.
Oh man. I need follow through. I need buying pressure.
I don't think you're gonna get it to 150, bro.
No, I think I'm smoked on here.
I'm watching this area for long.
No, I'm cooked. It's over.
Just let it trade for a second.
Nah, bro. This shit's done. It should have been. I've never seen nothing like this before.
I really don't like that 5-minute bar, that the initial one where we engulfed it, like your entry. That looked so good initially, and then the fact that that failed, pretty ugly.
Nah, this is done. We're back in the range. We're not, yeah, no, this is done. I'm about to go ahead and take this $530 loss. Yeah, this is cooked. Damn, bro. Fuck.
I'm long. I'm
I hope
long
you're
here.
right, Tanner.
I'm long here.
I hope you're right.
Stops at 136.
I hope you're right, but this does not look good.
I want to see a reclaim of fucking VWAP here.
I'm smoked. Damn, bro. I wasn't trying to take no $500 loss. That's what I get because I said it the entire time and I did nothing about it.
Your stops at 146.
Yeah.
Let this thing hold 149.
Fuck, bro. This shit is not stopping, bro. I know how this shit moves. It's either good or it's not. And this shit is not good. Look, this shit about to tap me out. Fuck, man. I wasn't trying to take this loss.
Give it a
I should have
second.
said, no, bro. This shit's done.
Oh,
I know
damn.
how
Yeah,
this shit
there we go.
works.
Fuck, bro.
I know how that shit work, bro.
Here's the 150s.
This shit's gay.
Here's the 150s. Buyers are going to step in. Step in, buyers. Step in. Step in. Step in. Step in here. Step in right here. Step in right here. Fuck. Super close to getting stopped. If this stops me, I'm just going to accept it and move on. Looks
Really
like
don't
it's going
like
to
that
stop me.
loss. I'm actually pretty pissed off because I didn't
Sorry.
do anything about it. I should have known.
This is going to take me out here. Right below. Unless it reclaims here. Seems unlikely. Oh, yeah. I'm done. Does
This
it?
is done, bro.
Does it? Does it? Yeah, it's going to take me out. Yep. Reclaim, 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 reclaim. That's what I'm talking about. Reclaim it. Reclaim all of it here. No, 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 no. There we go. More buying. More buying. No, no. Ah, man. That's it. Unlikely. Yep.
Order filled.
All right. That's it. That's fucking it. That's fucking it. All right, guys. Well, that's that.
That shit is stupid.
That's that. Even though this is literally the fucking area I want to get involved with, but it is what it is.
Yeah, I'm just mad that I lost $530.
It's okay,
I only
man.
put three I put three micros on, bro. Three.
You'll come back. You'll come back, bro. It's okay. It is okay, my friend.
I know that. I'm just saying, like, I just don't like that loss like that. That shit, man. That's just ridiculous.
Oh, God, that's exactly what I see, dude. Am I gonna get stopped out by a tick here? I'm in, bro.
Order filled.
There we go. I might go on tilt.
I might go on tilt.
This is what I wanted to see, bro. I wanted to see this fucking level get reclaimed here. I was just like literally, I got stopped out by literally like a fucking tick. I need to re-enter now. I mean, it just comes all the way down to 100s. I don't know. It's tough, bro. This is fucking hard. It's a tough area. Structurally, it's like we should stay above this if longs want to get involved at all. Oh no, dude, this is fucked.
You know, that shit. No, Oscar is in the driving seat, bro. No, this is Oscar's day.
Yeah. I just hate that it fucking took me out by a tick, dude. Literally a fucking tick, bro. I had my stop at 136. Went to 135. Like, are you fucking kidding me? All right, let's add. Yep.
Order filled.
And this will truly be it. Add, reclaim all of it. More. Please. Please, some more. Overshoot of this. Liquidity. Can this hold? Can this hold, ladies and gentlemen? My favorite trading show, authentic as fuck. I know. Oh God, Drew. I know. There we go. Might go until hits the buy button. Oh, fuck me, bro. God. Fucking hold, dude. Awful 5-minute bar. Terrible. It's gonna smoke me. I'm gonna get fucking clobbered.
I was gonna say I'm tired of driving.
I'm tired of driving. What a good short from Oscar.
I mean, it made sense. It was a good play. A lot of sense.
God fucking damn it, dude.
I thought you guys took one trade a day. I take one trade a day.
I don't. I'll take $1 billion, bro.
Right.
Please hold this low. That's what I'm talking about. Buyer, step back in. Thank you. I like that. I enjoy this. I enjoy this. I enjoy this. Okay. Let me keep enjoying it. No, come on. Follow through more. Oh my God, dude. These fucking bears just fucking knocking it all off.
And them boys are savage.
Okay. This ain't gonna work, dude. Should already gone. I need this to follow through here. I need a rip stick here. Give me us a rip stick. Give us a 30-second rip stick to the upside.
Lock my accounts. I'm pissed.
I know. Me all last week, bro. Dude, these guys, these fucking bears. I can't even get a breather. Give me a breather here. Give me something to breathe on.
Oh my God.
It sounded weird. Oh, God. Come on. More follow through, bro. This thing ain't fucking following through shit. Terrible action. Oh my God, bro. This thing's gonna fucking destroy me. It's so weak. There's no way this bounces here. It's done. I'm cooked. It might fall back to 100s and then fully bounce. This just seems unlikely it's going to hold here, though. I liked the 150 zone. I have a level here, but it's just really struggling to digest it.
Yeah, this isn't good.
Really struggling to digest it. Letting it do its thing, man. Letting it do
Here
its
it
thing.
comes. Here it is.
Let's see. They're kind of fighting and trying.
Yeah. ES doesn't look too bad for this reversal.
Well, ES overshot 6,400. Now it's trying to reclaim it, which is decent. This is just tough. These 5-minute bars are just tough, dude. I just don't like these. They're not that pretty. But sometimes it's not about how pretty it is. It's about what's inside that counts. Question is, do we reject VWAP at not there, but here? 235s. No, if anything, I feel like this would be the overshoot. Get out all the shorts in the week long, or get out all the week longs. Get the overzealous shorts involved. And then we reclaim and take the high. Could that happen? I don't know. Maybe. 11 a.m. Probably unlikely. Probably unlikely. Don't fail me now. Wow. Retest the VWAP. Instant rejection. Really ugly. Horrid.
Horrid.
Seeing retested New York VWAP and just instantly got shit on. Oh, man. I don't know. Sometimes these setups can be good though. They look so weak on the bounce that then they actually get a big rocket candle.
Yeah.
Pull out some ICT concepts. Look at here's some fair value bullshit. Right? Something like this. Fair value gap would be like right here in the middle at 200. Right now, this looks like a bear flag downward on the 2-minute. This looks like I'm about to get fucking annihilated. It's all about how they digest it. All about how they digest it. Get rid of this stupid bullshit.
Is that your Tory line?
No, that was my ICT line.
Let's see what ES is doing.
Yes, just rejected spy view up real good. This looks like a bear flag, dude, with a pin bar in the 2-minute. It's pretty awful. Pretty awful. Yeah, this is about to cook me, dude, and I'm done. There's no way. There's no way this low holds. Looks terrible.
Beating me with the trades.
Yeah, there's the tape getting weak. Yep, this is done. There's no way. There's no way this holds. Looks awful. God awful. There's just no way.
We might see 23, 25. I wouldn't be surprised if we see 23, 25. What's this low right here?
I'm done, dude. I'm fucking done with this shit.
23,
I'm done.
28.
I'm done. There's no way.
Order filled.
Okay. All right, guys. I'm done. I'm
Mission
fucking out of here.
7.
I'm done. I'm done with this shit. I'm not doing this. All right. Not doing it. Thanks for joining. Shit day again. Maybe one of these days I'll fucking get out of this rut. That's trading. That's life. We're gonna end it. I'm over it. I'm done.
All right. See y'all tomorrow.
Peace.